session here. Screen recorder is on. Just a minute. Yes, the screen recording is on now. Okay, I will present the screen now. Mhm. Okay, the screen recording is on now. I welcome you all to this webinar, which is AI in medical research, automating curiosity, the new era of medical research. It's a warm welcome for you all. A very good evening to everyone present over here. My name is Divyam Choudhary, and I'm currently a student of Masters of Transportation Systems in Civil Engineering in IIT Bombay right now. I'm in my first year. Today, we will explore the exciting intersection of artificial intelligence and medical research. This webinar will illuminate how AI is accelerating discoveries and shaping the future of medicine over here. So, we'll begin it. Firstly, we will see the challenge, which is traditional research is reaching its limits. We are entering a new era where AI automates curiosity itself. It helps researchers sift through mountains of data quickly, identify meaningful patterns, and make new connections as well. This synergy between human inquiry and AI's power unlocks unprecedented possibilities. As you can see on the slide, there are over 100 million biomedical papers, and more and more are added every day. So it is very like it's an impossible task for any researcher to stay current manually. The systematic reviews take over a long period of time, and they can lead to fatigues and errors as well. 70% researchers are reporting that they feel a difficulty in producing published results. Formatting, research, referencing, proofreading, they consume a lot of research time. And the people are spending more time preparing than discovering, which is a very bad thing. As rightly said by John Nesbitt, we are drowning in data but starving for knowledge. It is a very, very apt quote for the right situation right now. So we'll see why the research needs artificial intelligence. One second, just a second. Okay, I will just add. Some people are asking to join. Okay. Welcome Lakshay and Nageshwar Rao. This session is going on for AI in research in webinar. I will just show you the previous slide as well, which we discussed right now. There is a big challenge in the traditional research as it is reaching its limits. We are spending more time for analyzing data rather than discovering new things. So we'll see why research needs artificial intelligence. One second. Okay, everyone has joined. Cool. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's continue. Hmm. So, as I said, every day tens of thousands of biomedical papers are published worldwide. It's impossible for any researcher to keep pace by manual methods alone. The surge is creating a data overload that slows discovery and demands smarter approaches. Manual screening of abstracts and papers take months and leads to fatigue-induced errors. Alarmingly, up to 70% of published studies prove difficult to reproduce. Such challenges decrease research reliability and delay scientific progress as well. So there's a much need of AI in this current times. Let's continue. So why research needs artificial intelligence? Let us see. There are four main reasons. The first is explosion of data and speed and accuracy. The second is bias reduction and enhanced literature reviews, predictive insights, and data visualization. Like at every moment, at every minute, many papers are being published. So AI can filter out the nonsense and separate the cream from the whole matters. What takes humans weeks and days, AI can do in just minutes. And this can be done with analysis and interpretation at the same time. They can also highlight the data patterns which are free from human preconceptions. One second, I'll just see. Admit one more person has joined. Okay, cool. Don't call it this time. Please be in the mute. Okay, Tharani has joined the meeting. Welcome. Okay, so we are seeing why research needs artificial intelligence. Let's continue. Okay, everyone, please see the content. So the NLP tools, which are natural language processing tools, can scan vast literature and find research gaps instantly. Predictive insights can be given through it. AI models can forecast disease trends, treatment outcomes, and research impact, which you are doing in our medical fields as well. Data visualization transforms complex data sets into easy to understand visuals, which can make results more accessible for everyone. AI doesn't replace researchers. Researchers can't be replaced by AI. It just amplifies their potential. The potential gets stupendously increased by the using of the AI tools. We'll see how AI is transforming medical research. Researchers spend about 40% of their valuable time on formatting, referencing, and proofreading. We face a paradox, drowning in data but starving for actionable knowledge. AI offers a way to bridge this gap between the two and refocus the efforts on insightful generations. AI is rapidly needed because it filters the vast amounts of data to identify relevant information, freeing researchers from the repetitive tasks of researching. By automating mundane processes, AI allows scientists to concentrate on creative problem solving and hypothesis generations as well. AI provides us speed and accuracy. What takes humans months, AI accomplishes in minutes with impressive accuracy. For instance, Google's DeepMind, which is an AI tool, predicted acute kidney injury 48 hours before clinical symptoms appeared by analyzing the patient's data, which saved precious treatment time for the doctors. It has an amazing predictive power. It successfully forecasts disease progression and patient outcomes. A system developed at Cambridge predicts Alzheimer's disease, which is a very, very dangerous disease, progression more accurately than conventional clinical tests, enabling earlier interventions into the disease. Now we'll see how AI is transforming medical research. AI in literature mining and AI in clinical trials. Tools like Semantic Scholar and Cite, they automate the reading thousands of studies to identify the correct trends and gaps. They also help to us to predict patient eligibility, optimizes the recruitment, and monitors safely data in real time. It can also help us to drug discovery revolution and medical imaging. They can help us to design new molecules and predict their efficacy before lab testing. It detects micro level anomalies in X rays, CT scans, and MRIs, which can boost the diagnostic accuracy at a huge level. It can also help us to decode massive genetic data to tailor treatment for individual patients for genomics and precision medicine. It can also help us to ensure originality without any plagiarism in the quality and compliance before the final submission of our reports. AI is definitely not just a tool, but it's a research partner defining modern medicine. Now let's see the types of research and AI application. AI platforms like Semantic Scholar and PubMed GPT instantly scan millions of papers, summarizing key information and highlighting research gaps. This allows scientists to stay up to date and focus their efforts where it counts. When you see AI in clinical trials, recruiting eligible patients for trials is streamlined by AI systems like DeepSeek AI and IBM Watson. These tools quickly match participants to protocols and monitor safely in real time and speeding up trial timelines and improving outcomes. So AI just not only helps you in analyzing data, but it also helps you to filter out the correct data and use the correct data for your own benefits, so you can ensure the quality and originality of your outcomes of the research. Sorry. AI also enables personalized medicine by decoding complex genetic profiles. Tempus uses molecular data to recommend tailored cancer therapies, offering hope for better treatment with fewer side effects as well. It can lead to a drug discovery revolution. Pharma companies leverage AI to design new molecules and predict their efficacy. In silico's medicines AI discovered compounds targeting fibrosis, accelerated the drug development pipeline, reaching phase 1 trials in a swift manner. AI can be used in medical imaging as well. AI enhances diagnostic accuracy by detecting subtle anomalies in scans. Path AI improves cancer diagnostics. Zebra Medical Vision identifies pneumonia in an early stage. And Cure.ai aids tuberculosis detection in chest x rays, saving lives globally in a world scale. Plagiarism and publications. One second, Akshay is coming to the meeting. Admitted. Welcome, Akshay. Okay, seat. AI tools ensure research integrity by checking manuscripts for plagiarism and adherence to general guidelines. This helps us maintain a high scientific standards and streamline the publication process for authors and reviewers alike. Now we'll see types of research and in AI transforms. Or AI revolutionizes many research areas, primary studies, systematic reviews, network biology, and real-world data analytics as well. By automating data processing, AI empowers researchers to produce faster and more comprehensive insights. When you see the research approach as given in the slide, the primary research is basically the original data collection via experiments or observational studies. इसमें AI application क्या होती है? The patient selection and monitoring in clinical trials can be done with AI. Data extraction from multiple sources and checking and analyzing it as well. Meta-analysis, statistical synthesis of results from multiple studies, which is done in the meta-analysis. So AI can assist us for aggregation and heterogeneity analysis, automated forest and funnel plot generation as well. Bibliometric scientometric analysis, which is study of research trends, citation networks, and collaborations. AI can help us in mapping, in network analysis of authors, institutions, journals. Computational predictive research, which is data-driven research using machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. NLP we have seen earlier. What is NLP? NLP is basically natural language processing tools, which can scan vast literature and find research gaps manually. So AI can help us in drug repurposing, predictive modeling in personalized medicine, imaging diagnostics, and large-scale HR analysis. Then we'll see umbrella review, umbrella and translation research. AI bridges the gap between bench and bedside. For example, Mayo Clinic Oh, I guess there was a network breach. Network was gone for a minute. I will share the PPT again. Just a minute. Past 1 minute. Okay. Which slide I was in? Can somebody tell me? We were on this slide or the previous slide? Can somebody please tell?
This slide only.
We were on this slide itself.
Yes, yes.
One side.
Acha, we were on umbrella and traditional transitional research, translational research. Okay, thank you guys. Let's continue. So I was saying in the umbrella review, AI bridges the gap between bench and bedside. For example, there's are two clinics, Mayo Clinic and IBM Watson Health, which use AI to weave genetic data into oncology treatment plans, improving the precision and patient outcomes in clinical settings. In umbrella review, what happens? There is a summarization of multiple systematic reviews which help us to provide high-level evidence. AI का क्या काम है इसमें? What is the work of AI? It is to identify overlapping reviews, generating concise evidence summaries for us. Translation research, what happens? It bridges the experimental findings with clinical applications, which is basically bench to bedside. AI helps us for biomarker identification, therapeutic outcome prediction, and AI can also help us to guide precision medicine. Then we have RWE studies, which are nothing but real world evidence studies. It uses data from routine, clinical practice, registries, or electronic health records, EHRs. AI can help us for predicting treatment outcomes, identifying adverse events, and patient stratification. Stratification means basically classification in real world settings. Now, what happens in network and systems biology research? AI models complex interactions between genes, proteins, and pathways, which can unveil new drug targets. Atomwise uses neural networks to identify promising molecules to cancer and rare diseases, which can make previously undruggable targets accessible. In network and systems biology research, basically there's studies of the complex interactions in biological systems, and AI can help us here for network modeling, for pathway analysis, and for predicting drug targets and molecular interactions as well. Then we have omics and multi-omics research. It basically integrates the genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and transcriptomics data. It can help us to pattern recognition across omic layers, biomarker discovery, disease subtype prediction using machine learning can be done using AI in this research approach. Then we have types of researchers and AI applications in them. It is rightly said, AI transforms research from data-heavy tasks in the mundane, repetitive task into discovery-driven insights, which can empower every researcher to go beyond human limits and to gain the best data possible for their research. AI predicts disease outbreaks and monitors public health. Yeah, admit. Pasil is welcome here. Okay.
Thanks.
So AI predicts disease outbreaks and monitors public health with massive data sets. Blue Dot famously anticipated COVID-19 spread patterns before official alerts, demonstrating AI's potential for early epidemic response. So you can see COVID-19, in treating that also we had a help from the AI tools. Now we will see the types of researchers and AI applications in them. The first is basic or preclinical research. So what is the help of AI in this? It helps in molecular simulations, protein structure predictions, and genomics pattern recognition. In translation research, as I said earlier, AI enables biomarker discovery, drug repurposing, and guidance for personalized medicine. In health services or outcomes research, it can help us to optimize hospital workflows in a proper manner, resource allocation in an economic way, and predicts patient outcomes as well. Then we have literature and evidence synthesis. AI accelerates systematic reviews, meta-analysis, and bibliometric trend analysis here. क्लिनिकल रिसर्च में क्या होता है? AI assistant patient selection, predictive outcome modeling, real-time monitoring, and adverse event detection as well. In use of public health research, AI supports disease surveillance, outbreak prediction, population risk modeling. Then we have data-driven research, in which AI drives imaging diagnostics, large-scale EHR analysis, and automated hypothesis generation as well. Then now we will see the top AI tools. for researchers. Researchers rely on tools like KNIME, Canime for analytics, deep variant for genome analysis, and orange data mining for data visualization. These platforms automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and enhance data interpretation. So basically, our work is to help us as researchers in our research to do the proper work and to basically have a proper analysis, proper segregation of important data, for which we'll use the top AI tools. So we'll use it according to our needs. We have Semantic Scholar, which is an AI-powered literature search. Then we have Research Rabbit, which is used for literature mapping and trend visualization. Then there is Iris.ai, which has helped us to automated literature analysis and extraction. Then we have Connected Papers, which helps us for visual exploration of related research. Then K9 is there, as I told earlier. It helps us for data analytics and workflow automation. Then there is a Rapid Miner, which helps us to have a predictive modeling and machine learning. Then we have Tableau plus AI interactions. Tableau is a software which is used in machine learning. Okay, it helps us for data visualization with AI insights. SQL is also a programming language which is used in machine learning. Then we have Orange data mining, which helps us for visual programming for data analysis. We have some more. Deep variant, which is an AI variant calling in genomics. Exome AI, which helps us to have predictive genomics and variant interpretation. Then gene pattern, which omics data analysis and visualization. DeepMind Health, which is helpful for medical imaging and predictive modeling. IBM Watson Health. You can see all the different variants are helpful for different needs of us as researchers. As I told about IBM Watson Health, it helps us for clinical decision support and predictive analytics. Then we have Cell Profiler, which is basically for image-based cellular analysis. Then Tempus is there, which is oncology-focused AI analytics. Then there is QR Metrics, which is AI mammography analysis. Let's go further. Covidence, which helps for systematic review automation. Ravman plus AI plugins, which help for meta-analysis automation. Abstracker for AI-assisted abstract screening. Rayan, which is for screening and collaboration for reviews. PubMed GPT, we heard this word earlier as well from our slides, which is AI-powered PubMed research analysis. Zotero GPT, which is reference management with AI integration. Trinka.ai, which is for AI grammar and style checker for scientific writing and research purposes. Lit Maps for future visual literature mapping. PaperPal for AI-powered manuscript editing, Quillbot for paraphrasing and writing enhancement tool, Consensus for evidence synthesis platform, SciSpace for collaborative research writing, Meditate Solutions for cloud-based clinical trial management, Antidote Match, which is AI-powered platform connecting patients with clinical trials, MyRA, which analyzes various types of research data, including interview transcripts and observational notes, to extract meaningful insights. Then we have Thesify, which provides real-time feedback, citation assistance, and topic suggestions to enhance the academic writing quality. Improves prediction accuracy and minimizes the human biases. It optimizes. Basically, humans can do errors in quantifying and arranging, analyzing data, but AI having errors is really difficult. AI is having much accuracy in the data analysis. It optimizes cost and workload by handling complex data faster and more precisely than ever before. It accelerates our discovery. It speeds up hypothesis testing in clinical trials. It reduces the time from data collection to actionable insights. It enhances accuracy and reduces bias by minimizing the human errors, detects the hidden biases, and ensures standardized results, which are helpful to us. It also enables predictive and personalized research because it predicts disease risk, treatment outcomes, and patient stratification classification. It also guides precision medicine initiatives. It also helps us to optimize resources and cost, which reduces the financial burden by shortening the research timelines. It enhances there is a workflow efficiency in labs and hospitals as well. It is very efficient in handling big and complex data like genomics, imaging, and EHR datasets. It can identify patterns which are beyond human capability. It also helps us to support evidence synthesis by automating literature reviews, meta-analysis, and bibliometrics. It helps researchers stay up to date with massive volumes of publications. I told you earlier, there are about 10,000 books which are getting published every day. So it can help us to be up to date with that level of volume of publications. So we'll see what researchers are finding using AI. AI widespread use in driving early disease detection, drug repurposing, and personalized care. Wiz.ai is revolutionizing stroke diagnosis. BioExcel is an AI which repurposes drugs efficiently. And Flatiron Health harnesses real world oncology data for better treatments. So it can help us for early disease detection and prediction because it can model the AI models can analyze the medical imaging which can detect the cancers early in the conventional method which we use. Like predictive algorithms for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's can also be done using genetics and lifestyle data. Drug discovery and repurposing can be done because it can predict novel drug molecules faster, which can cut the pre-clinical timelines for by months. It can identify existing drugs with potential new applications, drug repurposing using big data analysis. Genomics and personal medicine. AI can interpret genomic sequences, which can reveal the mutation linked to the rare diseases. It enables personalized treatment plans based on genetic, environmental, and lifestyle data. Clinical trials optimization. AI select the ideal patient cohorts to maximize trial success. It can also predict drug response and potential the head adverse effects can be reported and predicted by AI, which can improve safety for us. Scientific literature and knowledge discovery. AI can scan thousands of research papers to identify hidden correlations or hypotheses. It can accelerate meta-analysis and systematic reviews, which can reduce the human bias as well. It is helpful for real-world evidence and epidemiology because it analyzes electronic health records, EHRs, and population data to identify the disease patterns. It can help us to track emerging health threats faster than traditional surveillance, which we do. We'll see the future trends in AI. What are the future of AI? The future holds explainable AI models, federated learning to protect privacy, multi-omics data integration, digital twins modeling individuals, and even AI-assisted grant writing, all promising faster and more responsible medical research. Explainable AI, XAI, AI models can provide transparent reasoning to build trust and accountability. AI-driven hypothesis generation can be done, which can identify novel research directions and hidden directions. Correlations. Multi-omics integration, which combines genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics for deeper insights. फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स में और देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है फेडरेटेड लर्निंग which can train AI on decentralized data while preserving patient privacy. Digital twins for patients, virtual patient models simulate disease progression and treatment response. Automated grant writing and research planning, which AI assists us in drafting proposals and optimizing study designs in a best manner possible. AI rare disease research, like it can rate patterns in small data sets to aid biomarker and therapy discovery. It can also help us for ethical AI and bias mitigation tools by ensuring fair and unbiased outcomes in AI-driven research. The human data can be biased manner, but AI data is never biased. It gets a wholesome value to you. Real-time literature mining and summarization. It consumes real-world cases, publishes research papers, and provides context for research. It can also see real-world cases. There's also ethics and limitations for the AIs. AI presents challenges, privacy risks, potential bias, and over-dependence on automated systems. We must enforce rigorous data protection, transparency, and maintain human judgment to guide ethical AI adoption. DeepMind. What does DeepMind do? These are basically real-world cases of AI uses. Okay. You will get. Excuse me. One second. All of you guys are gonna get 1,000 plus AI prompts for your working as researchers in medical field. You will also get a book of it to help you work. Apart from that, you're also getting certificates. These all things will be given to you in a week or so, and you will be given them all in the group of us. Okay, I will tell you the 20 prompts of AI, which are here. Let's see them. DeepMind in advance using HR data and diagnosis. Tempus personalized cancer treatment recommendations using clinical and molecular data. Then we have IBM Watson, which identified eligible patients for clinical trials for hospital databases. Zebra Medical Vision, which had an early detection of lung, liver, and cardiovascular diseases from imaging. Wiz.ai, which helped us in a real-time detection of large vessel occlusion strokes. IDOC, AI radiology tool for prioritizing urgent imaging cases. Butterfly Network, handheld ultrasound with AI-assisted interpretation. Cure Metrics, which had a AI mammography analysis for early breast cancer detection. BioXL Therapeutics, it is a AI-driven drug repurposing for rare neurological disorders. GNS Healthcare helps for predictive modeling for personalized oncology treatments. Cure.ai. So you can see the oncology treatments like the cancer is a big problem for human beings. We are not able to find the right cure for it, but using AI, it can help us to cure it in a better manner. Cure.ai, AI detection of tuberculosis and pneumonia from chest X-rays. Babylon Health, AI triage and virtual consultation for primary care. In silico medicine, AI-based identification of new drug candidates for fibrosis. Deep 6 AI accelerated patient recruitment for clinical trials. Blue Dot AI predicted COVID-19 outbreak. Even COVID-19 had been predicted. And global spread patterns. Recursion Pharmaceuticals AI identifies potential therapies for rare genetic diseases. Infravision AI assisted CT scan analysis for lung cancer detection. Arteries AI powered cardiac imaging and automated analysis. Flatiron Health AI extracts real world oncology data from EHRs for research. Now we'll have see the ethics and limitations of AI in medical research. So there are some ethical values which needs to be followed. There are some limitations as well in AI. The first is data privacy and security. Sensitive patient data which we are using for the AI requires strict protection, so it get never leaked. Sorry. Risk of breaches and misuse of personal health information can be done. Then transparency and explainability. Many AI models decisions for regulator or of anything, may it be studies, may it be AI, may it be anything, can lead to some problems. A risk of human researchers or clinicians deferring critical judgment entirely to AI. There should be a proper critical thinking which should be used when using AI. Necessitates balance between AI assistance and expert oversights. There should be a balance. Resource and accessibility constraints. High cost and technical expertise needed for AI implementation. Skills are needed may widen the gap between resource-rich and resource-limited research settings. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms may inherit biases from training data. Everything comes from training, okay? AI also generates the outcomes based on training. So it can inherit biases also when the training data is not in a proper manner. Can lead to unequal outcomes across populations or demographics. Accountability and research responsibility. Who is liable if AI makes an incorrect prediction or recommendation? Is the AI owner the person accountable or the person using the AI accountable? Then accuracy and accuracy. Person is needed for legal and which can lead to the good discoveries. So this was the first webinar conducted by Medfinity, the research project, which was AI in research for medical students. You can join the Medfinity research group by by scanning this QR code. Please join the group, and then let's move further. I thank you all for being here in the first webinar which we did, and it's a pleasure to have you all for the webinar which I did AI in research. We learned a lot of new knowledge, and I will, I want to make a closing statement as well. I will like to say the key points which we learned. AI speeds up medical research and discovery. That is really true. It automates the data analysis, literature review, and pattern finding. It enables us to have early diagnosis, personalized treatments, and faster drug discovery. Future, ethical, explainable, and more integrated AI in medicine. Shreya has sent the link for the WhatsApp group for the Medfriend Research Group. Please join the group. AI empowers AI basically empowering tomorrow's medicine for today. It's a very big quote. Empowering tomorrow's medicine today. Researchers must balance AI benefits with expert judgment and ethics at the same time. I will conclude by saying a quote: AI is not just a tool, it is a true partner in redefining modern medicine. Let curiosity drive discovery, using AI to push beyond current research limits and solve tomorrow's medical challenges at the same time. One second, I will just send the link here. Just a second, Rishabh, I will answer it. I'll share the link. Okay. So, guys, AI is not just a tool. It is a true partner in redefining modern medicine. It let curiosity drive discovery using AI to push beyond current research limits and solve tomorrow's medical challenges at the same time. Now, I'll take up your questions, which you have sent. Hello, Evan. There was now it's been sorted. Want to send any message? You can send in the chat. I will read them. Apart from that, I am now taking the questionnaire. Okay. So, could you please conduct a hands-on session as to how can we apply these tools efficacy, systematic reviews? Okay. With the application of like uh, all the different AIs in different fields we have seen how they can be used in different oncology treatments, in data analysis, in systematic reviews, in imaging, in visual data recovery, and everything like that. And I also share the uses in our group. I will copy the data and I will share it in the group. You can see how it can be used in different tools and how they are having the applications as well. Okay, it will be done. And I guess Rishabh also sent a message in the chat. Can you please send it back, Rishabh? Share any message or any of their views regarding the session. You can also take it. Sir, in regards to hallucination in AI, what step can be used to take and deal with the issue? Because it is now probed to have reduced chance of hallucination, since AI tends to have sometimes present incompany community cases with large data sets, many different the purpose using in the first place. So this was my doubt. Okay, Rishabh, let's take it out as well. Just a second, I will check it out. Okay, that's an excellent and very relevant question, actually, Rishabh, because especially as hallucination remains one of the key challenges in AI research. Basically, when dealing with hallucinations in AI hallucination refers to instances when AI systems, particularly large language models (LLMs), generate plausible sounding but incorrect or fabricated information. While AI is powerful in analyzing the large data sets, hallucination can undermine the trust and accuracy. But we have several strategies which can help us to mitigate this issue. The first is prompt engineering and framing. We need to be specific and contextual in asking for our questions. Instead of broad questions, ask specific, scoped, precise prompts. Example, instead of explain the results of the study, ask summarize the study's findings based only on the abstract provided below. Ask for the sources or citations which are used by the AI. Use step-by-step reasoning prompts for your data collection. You can also use retrieval augmented generation. basically integrate your AI with external verified databases or custom knowledge areas so it can gather the factual information rather than solely relying on the internal memory. We can also have post processing and validation tools with which we can fact check the APIs or cross verification models, which can check the AI outputs against trusted sources. We have model improvements and fine tuning. We can have domain specific and high quality datasets to reduce the speculative outputs. We can you have the responsible use practices as well. Treat AI outputs as decision support, not decision making, because you need to make the decision, not the AI models. Always validate the key findings. Hallucinations can't yet be completely eliminated. Careful prompt design, integration with verified data, and responsible validation practices can significantly reduce their occurrence and impact, which can help us researchers to harness AI efficiently while maintaining scientific accuracy as well. Rishabh, is your doubt clear of AI hallucinations? Most welcome. I've sent you here also that how you can clear it out. Okay. So guys, I'm taking your questions. Okay. Meanwhile, you can send your reviews or how you like the session. It was nice or not. How you feel about it? Is there any changes which I need to make? Any mistakes which I did, or anything you want to change about it? Because it was my first session, so I ask my forgiveness if I did any mistake. It was not my intention at all. You can please give your reviews in the chat section. We will look them afterwards. Now I will take the questions. Okay. So first we will have the questions here. Just a second. Let's take up the questions. The first question is it possible to question AI outputs without using AI models? Is it possible to question imaging systems like the Da Vinci? You will have the hands-on data. Don't worry, Arunagiri Gunashekhar. You will have the 1,000 plus prompts available to us. Shreya will send the file that's required for it in the group. You will see it. You will see the certificates as well. You will see the book as well. You will get all the knowledge necessary here, which is used for your research. Not a problem. No worries at all. We'll see about the privacy concerns and questions as well. Meanwhile, you can share your reviews in the chat box. I will see them. How was the session? Did you like it or not? Do you want any upgradations, any changes, any mistakes you not noticed, and any other you are concerned? You can report in the chat box. We will look at definitely. Okay. My name is Divyam Choudhary. I am from IIT Bombay, and it was my responsibility to have you gain the knowledge of AI and make you confident in your research. Let's take up the questions. Great session, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. How can we keep connected with you? Basically, my finally have students. It will be useful to have any collab or something. Yeah, surely. How to verify the data collected by AI is correct from the cited source? We will see that as well. How we can connect? You can connect me. Yeah, I will provide the recording as well. I think there's not a problem. You can connect with me on my Instagram as well, and I'll share my number as well. If you have any questions, any doubts, any queries, you can reach me out. We will sort it out as well. And I'm sharing my WhatsApp number as well. You can do it in WhatsApp, and you can ask me relevant questions. These are my Insta and my number. You can join me through that. I am ready to take your queries, your questions, any things you put on with me, and you can share your reviews in the chat box as well. Let's take up the questions again. Okay, we will see the chat box after the questions. So we were on the first question that how we can control a surgical complication from miles away using AI and a laptop. So it can help us to have a remote control, real-time haptic feedback, and precision imaging. Systems like Da Vinci surgical robot already allows surgeons to operate remotely with high accuracy. However, it requires advanced connectivity measures, security protocols, and strict ethical oversight. Then, yeah, you asked a question about hallucination, right? This is that question. How to minimize hallucination issues while using AI? Hallucinations can be reduced by grounding AI models in verified medical databases and peer reviewed data. Always use domain specific models like BioGPT or MadPalm for clinical accuracy. Cross verification with human experts remain essential for reliability purpose as well. How to write precise prompts for maximum AI efficiency. So first, you need to start with clarity. Define the role, context, and expected outcome in your prompt. Use specific terms like generate structured summary of dash or list statistically significant variables in dash. Iteratively refine prompts and analyze responses to train better control of your AIs. How is AI integrated in today's healthcare and what are the shortcomings of ignoring it? AI now supports diagnostics, drug discovery, patient triage, and personalized medicine as well. Ignoring AI limits efficiency, innovation, and data driven accuracy in healthcare delivery. Adoption challenges include bias, data privacy leaks, and lack of digital literacy. How to use AI for data collection and analysis research is a very good question. AI automates literature screening, dataset cleaning, and statistical modeling. Tools like Elicit, Cite, and GraphPad Prism AI can summarize, analyze, and visualize research data. It saves time and sorry, it saves time and reduces human error in complex data pipelines. How will AI shape medical academics? AI will transform academics through personalized learning, smart tutoring, and automated assessments. It creates adaptive curriculums that match every learner's pace and comprehension. Educators will shift from teaching facts to mentoring critical and ethical AI use. We are also using machine to interact right now, right? We are having a meeting on Google Meet, through which I am giving the knowledge which I have to you guys. It is also having a use of technology. Technology is you having used in everything right now. Okay, I'm a bit sick as you. I'm having a cough, but still I came to give you the session because it was very, really necessary, and I wanted to share the knowledge to you guys to help us to learn each other, to more with each other, and to progress as a whole. So AI will transform academics through personalized learning, smart tutoring, and automatic assessment. It creates adaptive curriculums as well, and educators will shift from teaching facts to mentoring critical and ethical AI use. Is there any AI tool for checking plagiarism? Yes, tools are there. Yes, tools like Turnitin, Authenticate, and CopyLeaks AI Detector use NLP to identify textual overlaps. They compare the GPT-0 as well, which is a good AI tool for checking plagiarism. They compare content against vast databases of journals and publications. Always combine AI checks with human review for contextual plagiarism checks. What things will AI not replace in the medical field? AI can't replace empathy, ethical judgments, or human intuition in clinical care. The doctor patient relationship and moral reasoning remain deeply human domains. AI can't replace the doctors, it is not happening anytime. AI complements, not replaces the healer's art. How can AI help us understand a topic better and aid in data analysis? AI can summarize complex literature into digestible insights using NLP algorithms. It identifies hidden algorithms and trends within large data sets. This accelerates hypothesis generation and conceptual clarity. How to start research in AI diagnostics and process with the 20 tools which I mentioned. Begin with a clear problem statement first and have a good data set. Define the diagnostic goals which you have. Use AI tools sequentially. For data cleaning, use SciSpace. For modeling, use AutoML. For validation, use MedPerf. Your 20 tool stack, which we have given to you, will create a complete ethical, reproducible workflow. How can one AI proof themselves for the future as a medical student? Will AI impact the job market and which specialties will be most affected? AI proofing means mastering the interpretation, ethics, and critical thinking, not just automation. Radiology, pathology, and dermatology will evolve fastest, demanding technical literacy and oversight. Those who integrate AI into their learning, not compete with it, will thrive in tomorrow's healthcare ecosystem for sure. How to start doing research with AI? Begin with a specific question of yours. Gather the clean data sets. Choose any AI tool which is relevant to your domain. Learn prompt engineering, basic statistics, and ethics before modeling using. Platforms like ResearchRabbit, Elicit, and Cite are excellent entry points. Sorry. Need to know about free AI tools for manuscript writing and piracy detection. Free tools like Writeful, PaperPal, Grammarly, and Quillbot refine academic language and structure. For piracy checks, use Plagiarism Detector and CopyLeaks Academic. Always verify citations and your sources and factual integrity manually. Use of AI in genetics research like detecting mutations. AI decodes genomic patterns, predicts mutations, and identifies gene disease correlations. Tools like Deep Variant and AlphaFold are revolutionizing precision genetics. It accelerates diagnostics and personalized therapeutic design. What are the various free to AI tools for research? Top free tools include Elicit for literature, Cite for citation mapping, ChatGPT, the best one as you all know, for drafting, and PaperPile for references. Data Robot and Orange Assist in data modeling and visualization. Together, they streamline the entire research cycle from idea to publication complete. Now you had a question, right? How to use an AI tool safely? So always anonymize patient data. Don't give the correct knowledge, please. And comply with ethical and institutional guidelines as well. Use HIPAA or GDPR compliant tools for sensitivity data sets. Remember, AI is not a threat, it's a tool. Use it responsibly and ensure ethics and privacy are respected. Safety. Let's continue. Can AI be a reliable tool for data collection? AI ensures reliability when trained on high quality, unbiased data. It automates statistical modeling but must always be human supervised. Validation through reproducibility and peer review is essential. Are AI tools research tool legal to use in research? Yes, if they comply with the standards, if they comply with the ethical data sharing regulations. Always disclose AI assistance in your methodology or acknowledgements. Illegality arises only when AI is used for falsification or uncredited writing. Which tools assist in meta-analysis? AI tools like Ryan, AS Review, and Covidence automate screening and study selection. Raman AI aids in bias assessment and voice plot generation. They save hundreds of manual review hours while maintaining accuracy. In quality research, what will AI do and what remains human? AI can code, it can cluster, it can summarize qualitative data, but lacks emotional interpretation, lacks ethics. Humans bring empathy, narrative understanding, and contextual judgment. Together, they create richer and unbiased analysis. Basics of AI: how to use it effectively without wasting time. Focus on understanding input-output logic, not coding. Use pre-trained medical AI models and clear task-specific prompts, please. Time efficiency comes from tool mastery, not tool variety. Benefits of studying computer science and AI rather than just prompting. Studying AI builds logic, algorithmic thinking, and understanding of model behavior. Prompting is surface level, while coding gives you control over output precision. Knowledge of CS empowers you to innovate, not just interact. You can create. How to effectively deal with hallucinations in AI, especially facts and figures. So first of all, use retrieval augmented generation (RAG) models linked to verified databases. Cross-check the reference automatically through tools like Cite or Consensus. Never trust standalone AI. Always triangulate it with expert reviews and literature. How to use AI for research purposes in general. AI assists in literature review, data pre-processing, hypothesis testing, and manuscript writing. It converts scattered data into structured insights efficiently. With ethics and validation, it becomes your smartest co-researcher. How do AI and research work hand in hand? AI accelerates every research stage, from question framing to data interpretation. It provides scale, speed, precision, accuracy beyond human limits. Researchers ensure ethics, reasoning, and purpose, the perfect collaboration. It brings us to the end of this session. The questions have been dealt. All of the questions have been dealt. The content has been shared. I will share the PPT with you guys on the group itself. You will get the 1,000 plus prompts in your group. You will get the book as well. You will get the certificate as well. You will get all the data required for it. And definitely, now tell me that how was the session? Did you enjoy? And where on the group? You will on the yeah on the group you will get it right there. Yeah, you will. Please tell me, how did you like the session? Did you enjoy it? Did you gain new knowledge? and what changes would you like to have? Please tell how was the session. Okay, how was the session, guys? Do you like it? Did you like and enjoy it? Please tell. You can connect with me using the platforms I said to you. You can connect with me on Instagram. You can connect with me on WhatsApp. We'll talk about it. No problem. It was very informative. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Rishabh. It was my pleasure, guys. Yeah, perplexity hallucinates a lot, so we need to verify it with the uh, cited source and, if possible, with expert reviews as well. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for your kind words, Tharini. It was my pleasure to help you in any case possible. I would love to connect with you guys as well in the future. So we are having another webinar in the next topic on November. I hope to see you all in the webinar as well, and I will share the recording of this session. See you all in November next time, and it was a pleasure being with you all. Thank you so much for being there. This meeting is concluded now. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks so much. Love you all. Thanks everyone for being there. See you again super soon. Bye bye.